My name is Jagan. I have 8 years experience. I am working in Nalgonda now presently. So next we are discussing about botany. So next your topic is on the plant kingdom. So now plant kingdom. So presently we are discussing about plant kingdom.
ఇంకో పెన్ తీసుకో.
So the plant kingdom totally plants are only classified into different types of plants are only observed in our daily life. So plants kingdom totally plants are only classified into based on the structure and based on the size. So totally plants are only classified into two types. So first one is the cryptogam plants. Cryptogam plants. So it is the only cryptogam plants. So classified into total two plants. So totally the plants are only classified into based on the structure and based on the size. Those are only two types. Those are only two types. So first one is the cryptogam plants. So next one is the panirogam plants. Panirogam plants. So those are total two plants are only having here. So total cryptogam plants and next one is the panirogam plants. Okay, it is clear. So cryptogam means non-flowering plants. So here observe here non-flowering plants. So here those are plants are only non-flowering. So do not total plants are only flowerless plants. Flowerless plants are only non-flowering plants are known as the cryptogam plants. Non-flowering plants are known as the cryptogam plants. So next one, the plants next one panirogam plants. So panirogam means flowering plants. Flowering plants. So those are known as the flowering plants. So totally plants in plant kingdom. So plants are only classified into two types. First one is the cryptogam plants and next one is the panirogam plants. So simply cryptogam means non-flowering. Non-flowering means flowers are absent. Flowers are absent. Which plants are was known as the non-flowering plants? This is known as the total known as the cryptogam plants. Next one is the panirogam plants means different types of flowers are only having. So number of flowers, different types of flowers and different colors. So different colors are only having those known as the flowering plants. This is known as panirogam plants. So totally plants only totally based on the flowers. So some plants are only flowering, some plants are only non-flowering. Flowering plants are known as the panirogam plants and non-flowering plants are known as the cryptogam plants. So totally plants are only two types. Okay. Next one, cryptogam plants are only so based on the structure. So cryptogam plants are only those are known as the three types. First one is the pteridophyta plants. First one is pteridophyta plants. Those are pteridophyta plants. Next one is the bryophyta plants. Bryophyta plants. So bryophyta plants. Next another one is the pteridophyta plants. Pteridophyta plants. So those are only So cryptogam plants are only classified into three types. First one is the pteridophyta plants. Second one is the bryophyta plants. Third one is the pteridophyta plants. Those are only three types of plants are only classified. So cryptogam plants. Cryptogam plants are only classified into three types. First one is the pteridophyta plants. Second one is the bryophyta plants. Third one is the pteridophyta plants. So next one, pteridophyta means. So characters of only pteridophytas. Features of pteridophytas. So what is the meaning of pteridophyta plants? So we observe the pteridophyta plants. The pteridophyta plants are only the total body of the plant have made up the total thalloid body. This is the thalloid body. Thalloid means, so which plants are totally leaves, and next one the stems, and next one the roots are absent. Which plants totally leaf and stem and roots are only absent? Those are known as the thallophyta plants. In thallophyta plants, roots and stem and leaves are absent. Stem and root and next one leaves are only absent. Those are the thallophyta plants. So total body of plant have made up with the thalloid body. Simple. Which plants are only total body, plant body, thalloid body. So it is known as the thallophyta plants. So thallophyta means leaves are absent, stem also absent. Next one is the roots also absent. So it is known as the thallophyta plants. Next, in thallophyta plants, totally classified into two types. Next, the thallophyta plants also classified. So based on the structure only, the thallophyta plants are only classified into two types. Those are the algae. Those are the algae. And next one is the fungi. So total thallophyta plants are only total classified into two types. First one is the algae plants and next one is the fungi plants. So it is only algae and fungi. So pteridophyta plants are only classified into two types. First one is the algae and next one is the fungi. So algae means algae. So it is the only algae means aquatic, photosynthetic, aquatic and photosynthetic, and next one is the thallophyta plants are, this is the only thallophyta plants are known as the algae plants. So algae means those plants are only aquatic. Next one, photosynthetic plant. Photosynthetic and thallophyta plants are known as the algae. So the algae plants are only found in the marine water and fresh water. So we are observing the habitations of algae. Algae plants we are found in the marine water or fresh water. So total algae plants only aquatic and photosynthetic. Photosynthetic mean making up the food material from the sunlight. Making up the food material from the sunlight, those are known as the photosynthetic presence of chloroplast. So in chloroplast, it is the only all plants are only photosynthetic. It is also photosynthetic algae. So the definition of the algae, main important here, aquatic photosynthetic thallophyta plants, or next one, aquatic photosynthetic autotrophic thallophyta plants are known as algae plants. So you observe once again, algae means aquatic, photosynthetic, and next one autotrophic thallophyta plant. Autotrophic means, only self preparation, food preparation self, in making of the food material from the sunlight. So it is the autotrophic thallophyta plants known as the algae. This is the one character. This is the definition of the algae. Next, algae habitat and habitations. So total algae are only found in the fresh water. Found in the only fresh water. Only grows in the water. So it is the only habitation of the main important of only algae. So algae are only found in the fresh water. So it is the only algae. So total algae are only main important habitat only grows in the water, or marine water or fresh water. Marine water or fresh water we are found in the only water. It is known as only algae plant. Algae plants only found in the fresh water or marine water. Next one, the algae are reproduction. We are observe reproduction. So in totally generally reproduction are only three types. First one is the asexual reproduction. First one is the vegetative reproduction. Vegetative reproduction. So second one is the asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction. And third one is the sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction. So it is the totally reproduction occurs through three types. This is the only definition of the algae. This is the only habitation of the algae. Next we are observe only total reproductive system. In reproductive system we are observe in algae occurs through the only three types. First one is the vegetative reproduction. Second one is the asexual reproduction. Third one is the sexual reproduction. So total algae are only occurs through the three types of reproduction. So simple, the vegetative reproductions is only occurs fragmentation. This is the main important is here. Fragmentation. So fragmentation means, so unexpectedly or accidentally the total algae are only divided. So each one filament is only grows the separate areas. So it is known as the fragmentation. So it is main important fragmentation. Here observe the vegetative reproductions are only total algae. The total algae are only occurs through the vegetative reproduction with help of fragmentation. So it is the main important fragmentation. It is known as the vegetative reproduction. So next one, asexual reproduction occurs through the separate spores are formed. This is known as the spores formation. Spores formation. This is the spores formation. Is the only fragmentation is only known as we are observing the fragmentation vegetative reproduction. So spores formation, all algae are only spores formations only occurs in the only asexual reproduction. So sexual reproductions only through with the gametes. So this the gametes are formed. Different types of gametes. So those are were observed. Gametes are only two types. So it is the only male gametes are formed. Male gametes. It is known as the male gametes. And next one is the female gametes. Female gametes. So two types of gametes are formed. This is only male gametes and female gametes. So totally male gametes are only produced to only sexual reproduction. This is male gametes are formed and next one is the female gametes are formed. This is the only reproduction of the algae. This is the only first reproduction of the algae. Thallophyta plants are known as only classified into two. First one algae, next one is the fungi. So sexual reproduction is only very very important. It is the only two types of gametes are formed. So the first one is the male gametes are formed and separately female gametes are formed. It is totally general characters. Those are general characters of the algae. So it is the only thallophyta plants, totally algae and fungi. Algae and fungi. Algae are only known as the, this is the definition of, and next one is the only habitat habitations of the algae. Next one is the only reproduction. So vegetative reproduction, it is very very important. This is the important point here. Observe the fragmentation, and next one is the spores formation, and next one is the sexual reproduction of only gametes are formed. So the gametes, total how many gametes are formed? Two gametes are formed. Separately male gametes are, and next one is the female gametes are formed. Those are known as the only general characters of the algae. Next one we observe here. Next one, different types of plants are classified into two. This is the algae and fungi. Algae only photosynthetic. So fungi. So examples of only algae. We are observe next one. Examples of algae. So some are only algae are only different types of algae we are observe. So algae are only totally algae we are observe. So examples of algae. First we are only definition. Next one habitat habitation. Next one is the characters. Next one the reproduction. So some examples of the algae. For example, different number of examples. So it is only main important examples of algae we are observed. First one is the volvox. One of the algae, volvox. So second one is the Eudogonium.
కొంచెం పెద్ద అక్షరాలు రాయండి సార్.
Second one is the Eudogonium. Second one is the Eudogonium. Next one is the Volvox, Eudogonium, Chara. Chara. Next one, Chlamydomonas. Chlamydomonas. So number of examples. So we are observe only intermediate level or only need level. So Volvox we are observe, Eudogonium, Chara. Next one Chlamydomonas. So Spirogyra. So number of examples of only algae. So those are only algae are only number of examples, and the structure of the cell. We are observe the structure of the cell, different structure. The cell is only different structure. Some cells are only multicellular, some cells are only unicellular. So different types of cell organisms. So you observe only main examples of only Volvox, Eudogonium, Chara, Chlamydomonas. Next one is the Phaeophyceae. So Chlamydomonas is only different types of plants are observed. So main examples of only algae. So this is the examples of algae. Next one, fungi also we are observe. Next one, the characters of fungi. Fungi means those plants are only heterotrophic. This is the heterotrophic. And next one, the Thallophyta plants. Thallophyta plants are known as the fungi. So the fungi are only depending on the other material, depending on the other organism. So those are heterophytic means those plants are only, the fungi plants are only taking up the food material another organisms. So depending on the another organisms, those are the only fungi. So fungi are only heterotrophic. Thallophyta plants are known as the fungi. Thallophyta only total heterotrophic. Thallophyta plants are known as the fungi. So here also examples of only some fungi. So here main important mucor. Examples of the fungi. So mucor. Next one is the Phytophthora. And next one is different types of rhizopus. So main examples of the main important of only fungi. Okay, next we are observe the next plant. So observe only Bryophyta plants. So main important plants here, Bryophyta plants. Only we are discussing about cryptogam plants only. We are only discuss about total plants, cryptogam plants only, Thallophyta plants only, classified into two types. The first one, cryptogam plants are classified into three: Thallophyta plants, Bryophyta plants, Pteridophyta plants. But Thallophyta plants also classified into two plants: algae plants, and next one is the fungi plants. So next some are only characters, some are only features, are only observed features. So fungus feature and next one algae features. Next plants we are observe the Bryophyta plants. In Bryophyta plants, those plants are only observed in the shadow places. So those plants known as the amphi in plant, total plants are only observed. It is the total body of the plant are only two stages. First one, the total habit and habitation of the Bryophyta plants, and Bryophyta plants are only the total body. Two stages are having. First one is the gametophyte stage. First one is gametophytic stage. Next one is sporophytic stage. Gametophytic stage and sporophytic stage. So in Bryophyta plants are only body. The Bryophyta plants are only totally two types of plants, two types of body. First one the gametophytic stage here, and next one the sporophytic stage here. So in gametophytic means total the body of the plant have only made up the only N stage. N means applied stage. It is the only applied stage. So it is the only gametophyte stage. So in gametophyte stage, gametophyte plants are only the applied stage. Applied means the total body of the plant is only N stage. It is the applied stage And next one, the second one is the 2n stage. This is the total haploid stage. This is the only n stage. This is the sporophyte stage, is the 2n stage. This is the only sporophytic stage. So in gametophyte stage and the sporophytic stage are only observed in the plant. So this is the bryophyte plants characters. Next one, in bryophyte plants are only found in the shadow places or grows in the shadow places. So it is the main bryophyte plants. Next, in bryophyte plants, we are observe totally bryophyte plants are known as the only amphibian plants. Those are known as the amphibian. Amphibian plants. Those are known as amphibian plants. So amphibian means some plants are only grows on the land and next one water. So this is the character of the bryophyte plants. Those are known as the amphibian plants in the plant kingdom. Those are known as amphibian plants. So here observe totally amphibian plants are only observed. This is known as the bryophyte plants. So in bryophyte plants, so only we are observe the reproduction. You observe the reproduction in bryophyte plants. So in bryophyte plants, observe only reproduction. So it is the only generally vegetative reproduction, asexual reproduction, and sexual reproduction. So here vegetative reproductions are only absent. So in the only separately sexual reproduction is only here observe sexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, so only occurs through the different types of sexual reproductions are only two type of branches are only produced on the plant. Two types of branches. So first one is the total, it is only the number of branches are produced in sexual reproduction. In one bryophyte plant, in sexual reproduction, two types of branches are only produced on the plant. So first one is the only archigoniophore. First one is the only antheridiophore. Antheridiophore. Second one is the archigoniophore. Archigoniophore. So it is the only antheridiophore are observed, and next one the archigoniophore. So archigoniophore is known as the male gamete. Male gametes, and this is the female gamete. Female gametes. So we are observe the total in sexual reproduction bryophyte plants separately two types of branches are produced. So first branch is known as the antheridiophore. Second branch known as the only archigoniophore. So in antheria, it is the only antheridiophores are only known as the male gametes are formed, and next one archigoniophores are only female gametes are formed. So it is the two types of antheridiophore and archigoniophore. Here the male gametes are known as the antheridium. The male gametes are known as the antheridium. Next one, female gametes as known as the archegonium. Archegonium. So separately antheridium and archegoniums are only formed. So male gametes are known as the antheridiums. Female gametes are known as the archegonium. So it is the only general characters of the bryophyte plants. So it is the only cryptogram plants. Those are only cryptogram plants, only some general characters of bryophyte plants and some of the algae plants. So next one, the Pandragum means different types of plants. It is the only
ఇటే చూడండి ఇటే చూడండి
flowering plants. So in flowering plants are only totally flowering plants also classified into
చూడండి
total dicots and monocots plants, gymnosperms plants. So number of plants are only classified into